In this video, we will learn how to do elbow stand or forearm stand. In Sanskrit, we call it Pincha Mayurasana. Pincha, flying, Mayurasana, peacock pose, flying peacock pose. For this, we'll start from down dog position. Into down dog, look towards the navel, keep your knees straight, now take deep inhale, exhale, drop your elbows down. To warming up your shoulders, upper back, hamstring. 5 times, inhale, come up into down dog, and exhale, dolphin. Keep looking towards the navel. Inhale up, exhale down. Do this for 5 times. Then into dolphin, bring your right leg up, hold for another 5 counts. Then right leg down, left leg up, hold for another 5 counts. Then down. Once you warm up your hamstring, shoulders, and upper back, we'll start focusing on forearm stand or elbow stand. Like any other arm balance poses, keep your palms at one shoulder distance, then drop your elbows down. Your elbows, palms in a straight line, parallel to each other, like dolphin. Now from here, bring your one leg. This can be right or left, up to your own comfortability. I keep my right leg in, left leg out, or you can keep left leg in, right leg out. Now from this position, keep this upper leg toe pointed. Forget about your upper leg. Now focus on your knee which is on the mat. So this leg which is on the mat, you're using to push your hips up, then leg up. Always remember, first hips, then leg. You're bending your knee to gain momentum, to push your hips up, to align your hips in line of your shoulders. So starting from here, one leg in, another leg out. Now keep looking down between your forearms. Don't keep your head too high. You'll be giving extra pressure on your neck. Keep your neck relaxed. Keep looking here. Don't move your head and fix your gaze. Keep looking at one point. Now bend your left knee. If you're keeping your left knee on the mat. Inhale, exhale, jump down. Inhale, knee straight, bend your knee, exhale, push your hips up, down. Inhale, push your hips up, down. Don't rush to bring your legs all the way up. You may end up arching your back or falling forward. So avoid that. First, focus on step 1. In step 1, bring your hips in line of your shoulders. So you are here. Inhale, bend your knee, exhale, hips up, down. At this point, you won't fall forward. Now, how to fall? You can fall in 2 different ways. Again, it's depending on your own comfortability. I prefer falling towards my side. If I'm kicking here, then I fall, just turn your elbow up and fall towards the side. The safest way to come down without hurting yourself. Or you may fall forward, like wheel pose. You kick down, but this you can try to avoid this falling if you have stiff lower back. The safest way is like when you're falling, elbow up. Again, this can be right, that can be left. Up. Inhale, up. Because once you know how to fall, because your mind won't kick high enough until it has fear of falling forward. Because things like you may hurt yourself. It's a tendency to protect yourself from hurting you. So first know how to fall. Once you overcome the fear of falling, your mind will be more relaxed and you will end up kicking higher. Because until you kick high enough, you won't come into elbow stand or forearm stand. So here, inhale, exhale, down. Practice this. No need to kick high enough. Kick low, elbow up. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, bend your knee, push your hips up, then down. Because once you know how to fall towards the side without hurting yourself, then you can easily kick. You have no fear of kicking upward, kicking higher. Now you know how to fall. Now from here, inhale, push your hips up, then down. Inhale, push your hips up, down. Once you think you're losing your balance, just bring your elbow up come towards the side. Once you get used to this, pushing your hips up and falling towards the side. Now step 3. After your hips, bring your legs up. Inhale, hips, legs, down. Don't think about balance. First focus on your alignment. Once your body will be aligned, it will be much easier to stay there. When your body is aligned, you feel lighter. When your body is not aligned, you feel more unstable and you have to give extra effort to stay there. So first think about your alignment. Align your body. You can't see your feet, you can't see your hips. So keep thinking about it. Your shoulders, chest in, retract your shoulders, look down, inhale, exhale, hips, legs, hold. Push your body upward, toes pointed. You can't see how to feel. At this point, I'm engaging my lower back. Here, more straight. Down. Try to feel your body parts. Like when you are arching your back, you can feel you are giving extra pressure in your lower back. When you are keeping your feet down, you can feel like you are giving extra pressure on your core to control your legs here. So feel your body parts. Focus on step 1, 2, then 3. And try to avoid practicing your elbow stand closer to the wall. When you kick, but this is the wall, when you kick closer to the wall, you know there's something to hold you. You just kick without thinking about the point where you can stop your feet to find your balance, or just kick in not that controlled way. So try it on the mat, away from the wall. You don't need any wall to protect you once you know how to fall. You are in your safe zone. You don't need to go next to the wall to practice your forearm stand. Step 1, just bend, kick, bend, kick, down. Step 2, elbow up. You must know how to fall. Once you know step 1 and step 2, now just kick all the way up without any fear of falling. Up, down. At this point, you may lose your balance, but you know how to fall, so it's completely fine. Now step 1, 2, 3. Once you get used to all these steps, now train your mind to stay into forearm stand. Don't let your body come down easily. Inhale, kick, push your body upward, then down. And always remember to point your toes. When you push your body upward, less than like any other arm balance poses, you're gaining more control over your body. So your body will fall either forward, backward, or towards the side. But when you push your body upward, you gain more control over your body. So from here, inhale, kick, point your toes, body upward, and hold. While coming down, slowly come down. One more time from starting. First, your palms, 1 shoulder distance, elbows down. Then tuck your toes in, knees up like dolphin. Bring one leg in, another leg out. Inhale, bend your lower knee, push your hips up, feet together, toes pointed, push your body upward. You're losing your balance, just come towards the side. From this direction. Inhale, exhale up. You're falling, just turn, then down. And relax. Thank you.